Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MSVCR120.dll file missing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first of all, you have to type this file name and you have to type download. And now you have to click on the first link, dllfiles.com. Now you have to scroll down and you have to download the 64-bit file architecture. So click on download. So as you can see, our file has been downloaded. So I will click on show in folder. Now you have to click on the file and you have to click extract to and OK. So file has been extracted. So click on this and you have to copy this DLL file and now you have to click on the this PC. You have to go local C. Now you have to click on Windows and now you have to find Windows System 32. So here it is, System 32. Now you have to paste the file in here. Click on paste. Now we need to choose find syswow 64. So here it is. Now you have to paste the file, same file in here. So these were all the steps to fix error. So if you like my video, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.